We have a problem for beam design. Design a simply supported rectangular RC beam, having a span of 5.5 meters, subjected to a uniformly distributed load of 33.8 kilonewtons per meter. Compute the required reinforcement, assuming the breadth of beam as 230 mm and the effective cover for compression and tension reinforcement as 50 mm. Assume that the beam is supported by load-bearing masonry of thickness 230 mm. Use M20 concrete and FY415 grade steel.
Change the name of beam as you want.
Change the width of support, and it is 230 mm in the given problem, and the span is 5500 mm. Effective cover is 50 mm. Working load is 33.8 kN per meter. Now change the grade of concrete and grade of steel, as it is M20 grade concrete and grade of steel is 415. You can select from drop-down list. Also change the constant, it is 0.48 for steel grade 415. For the given problem, width of beam is 230 mm. Now round up the trial depth of beam. I am taking it as 460 mm.
Now we need to do interpolation here, as D by D ratio lies between 0.1 and 0.15. And it is for FE415. Enter the respective values in the red color cells.
Change the diameter of bar. I am taking it as 25 mm for both compression and tension steel, so number of bar required are 4 on tension side and 2 on compression side. Check that AST minimum and AST maximum limits are satisfied or not. If it is showing OK, then proceed further, and if it is showing revised design, then you need to revise design until it shows hence OK. Again, we need to do interpolation here. Change the red values by taking the values from the table shown here, with respect to grade of concrete and percent of steel. Change the diameter of stirrups. I am taking 2-legged stirrups with 8 mm diameter. You can also change the grade of stirrups. This is how within 1 minute we can design the beam. If you want to download this Excel sheet for free, subscribe to my channel and read the description.